We've all been there, checking our bank balance more often than Instagram, staring at a $5 bill like it's a winning lottery ticket. Dreaming of a life where money doesn't grow on trees is a hilarious joke because, well, we own the whole orchard. But let's be real, financial stability shouldn't feel like a distant planet. It's more like a road trip. We might hit a few potholes, hello, impulse purchases. Take a wrong turn, that investment opportunity that was too good to be true, but hey, at least we're behind the wheel. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight, though wouldn't that be nice? It's about taking control, making smart choices, and maybe, just maybe, laughing along the way. So buckle up, friends. Let's navigate this financial journey together. Because remember, the first rule of getting rich is pretend you already are. Just kidding, or am I? A budget. Sounds scarier than a spider in your shoe, right? Wrong. Think of it like this. Your money's on a road trip, remember? A budget is simply the GPS. Without it, you're driving blindfolded. With it, you're cruising with purpose, knowing exactly where each dollar is going and why it's not buying that sparkly sweater you don't need. There are tons of budgeting apps out there. Some are free, some cost money. Ironic, right? Find one that works for you or go old school with a pen and paper. The point is, track your spending, see where your money goes, then decide where you want it to go. Saving for a vacation, new phone, allocate funds for those goals. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Saving money sounds boring? Think again. Imagine this, you're at a bar, feeling fancy. You could buy a round of drinks for everyone, and their goldfish. Or you could save that money. Now imagine this, you're on a beach, sipping a fancy drink, knowing you paid for it with all that saved money. See, saving isn't just about being responsible, though that's a nice bonus. It's about freedom. Freedom to buy what you want, when you want, without stressing about your bank account. Start small. Even $5 a week adds up. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Think of it like a secret stash your future self will thank you for, because remember, saving isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment, it's about having options. And who doesn't love options? Besides Netflix, they can never have too many options. Section 4. Investing. Don't let your money sleep under the mattress. Investing. Sounds intimidating, like something only rich people in suits do. Wrong again. Investing is simply putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting it sit in a savings account, earning pennies, you're putting it into things that have the potential to grow. Think of it like planting a money tree, finally. It might take time to see results, but with patience and the right care, aka smart investment choices, that tree could bear some serious financial fruit. Start by learning the basics. There are tons of resources online and books available. The library is your friend. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a financial advisor. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. Though again, wouldn't that be nice? It's about building long-term wealth. Section 5, debt. The uninvited houseguest show at the door. Debt, we all know it, some of us love it, not in a good way. But here's the thing, debt is like that houseguest who overstays their welcome. You know the one. Eats all your food, uses all your hot water, and never offers to chip in for groceries. Debt's the same. It drains your bank account, stresses you out, and prevents you from achieving your financial goals. First step, acknowledge the debt. Don't ignore those bills. We've all been there. Make a plan to pay it down. Start with the highest interest rate debt first. That's the biggest drain. Remember, getting out of debt isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. It's about reclaiming your financial freedom. Section 6, financial freedom. Your ticket to a stress-free, well, less stressful life, financial freedom. It's not just about being rich. Though, let's be honest, that wouldn't hurt. It's about having options. It's about not stressing over bills. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy a nice dinner without checking your bank balance first. It's about building a life where money is no longer a source of worry, but a tool to help you live your best life. And that, my friends, is something worth striving for. So go forth, budget, save, invest, conquer that debt. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. And remember, even if you stumble along the way, at least you're on the journey. And that's something to smile about.